To copy your Instagram profile URL on your phone, the first step you need to take is to tap on your Instagram application. Once the Instagram application opens, tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right in this case. Before Discover People, you will see the section with the text Share Profile. Tap on that. On tapping on Share Profile, you will see this QR code. The person can scan it and he or she will be taken to your profile. Okay, but our interest here is on copy link. Tap on that copy link. You can see link copied to clipboard. Now get to the Notes app or any app that understands text and paste it. There is an adjustment we need to do. So here, let me open Notes. Long press and then paste. You can see this URL is long. If I give this to somebody and he clicks, he or she will be taken to my profile. But I want us to shorten it so that it will look more professional. All right? Because some platforms may reject it if you send it this way. So look at where this stops. Okay? Look at this is the real profile link. All right? If I long press on it and I select the copy link option, I can paste it anywhere. All right, I can share it to somebody maybe on Messenger or on WhatsApp or any application at all. If this video helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.